Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a unicorn friend whale out of a balloon. The list of all materials is in the description below the video, so let's get started. I pre-inflate 18-inch and 12-inch blue balloons. Then I put a 12-inch balloon inside an 18-inch one and inflate it onto 30 pumps. I tie a 12-inch balloon into a knot and cut off the excess. Now I'm pre-inflating 5-inch purple balloons. I put one purple balloon inside a large balloon and pump it up to 1.5 pumps. I'm making a knot. I keep the tail of the balloon outside. Then I put a second 5-inch balloon inside, inflate it with a pump and a half, and tie the balloons together, cut off the excess. So, inside the big balloon, I put a 12-inch balloon and two 5-inch balloons. Now I'm taking a modeling balloon, size 660. I'm cutting it off. I put it inside a large balloon and inflate it onto 8 pumps. Look, I modeled it in such a way that there was a 12-inch balloon on top, then two 5-inch balloons, and at the very end a balloon for modeling. Now I add a little air to make the shape a little more elegant and tie it with a modeling balloon, then cut off the excess. Now I'm making a tail. In a 12-inch blue balloon, I put a modeling balloon, size to 160. I'm inflating a modeling balloon onto 3 pumps. I tie the ends of the balloon for modeling, cutting off the excess, and make the shape of the tail. Look at the video how I do it. I tied the tail to the main figure, and to fix it, I made 3 tight pinches from a modeling balloon, size to 160. With this element, I fixed the tail and trunk. I make a unicorn horn and 2 fins out of 2 balloons for modeling. I show this process in great detail in the video. Please take a look. I glue all the details to the figure with double-sided adhesive tape. Next, I draw the face of a whale. The cheerful little whale is ready. Thank you for watching us.